Welcome back to Bayanaka FX, your source for the latest financial news and market updates. Today, we're diving into the movements in U.S. Treasury yields and what key economic data investors are eyeing this week. Let's get started. On Monday, U.S. Treasury yields were slightly lower as investors braced themselves for a week filled with significant economic data and political developments. By 6:47 a.m. ET, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note had dipped by over 1 basis point, sitting at 4.224%, while the 2-year Treasury yield remained steady at 4.517%. Remember, yields and prices move in opposite directions, and 1 basis point equals 0.01%. Here's a quick rundown of other Treasury yields as of today. 1 month, 5.368%, 3 month, 5.333%, 6 month, 5.192%, 1 year 4.879%, 2 year 4.521%, 10 year 4.224%, 30 year 4.427%. This week, investors are keenly awaiting critical data that could provide fresh insights into the state of the economy and the Federal Reserve's next moves on monetary policy. On Thursday, we have the second quarter gross domestic product, GDP, reading, followed by the latest personal consumption expenditures, PCE, price index on Friday. The PCE is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge and could signal the timeline for potential interest rate cuts. Federal Reserve officials have emphasized the need for more data showing a decline in inflation before easing monetary policy. With the central banks meeting later this month, we're now in the blackout period, where officials refrain from public comments on monetary policy and economic topics. Currently, the market widely expects interest rates to remain unchanged this month. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, there's about a 96% chance of a rate cut in September. In political news, President Joe Biden has withdrawn from the race for the White House and endorsed Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democratic nominee. This development is also under market scrutiny as it could impact economic and policy decisions moving forward. That's all for today's update on Treasury yields and upcoming economic data. Stay tuned to Bayanaka FX for more insights and analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest market news. Thanks for watching.